The story behind Biogen was we were formed to take advantage of the United Nations Convention of Biological Diversity, of which Australia is a member. We've got the bioprospecting rights in Western Australia first, and then followed that up with Queensland, and that makes up 80% of all of Australia's biodiversity. So from the thousands and thousands of compounds that we tested, we found a natural occurring insecticide, and we've decided to run with that because the market is desperate for new entries in there. So we've got a compound, it's called Q-side, and we're taking it to market. Biogen's position is it wants to be a wholesale supplier of natural essential oil called Q-side. We've also synthesized that, so we want to be a wholesale supplier of the synthetic form of Q-side, and we've developed a range of products that best demonstrate what Q-side's about, particularly in animal and human health, where we believe the virtues of Q-side are exceptional. So we've got a small product range that we want to develop and put onto the market as well. The management behind Biogen is we've got a board of directors, and we've got a technical review and advisory committee made up of eminent scientists in Australia. So we have a board of directors, and our chairman is a guy called Victor Rosenberg, and he has run pharmaceutical companies in South Africa, which he started from scratch and built into multi-million-dollar companies before he sold up and migrated to Australia. So our chairman has a wealth of knowledge there. Our science and review board is made up of scientists from the Southern Cross University, plant science, from the University of Western Sydney, entomology, and the University of WA. So we've got, and the WA Chemistry Centre. So we've got a good group of technical people with wealth of experience in the plant science industry. The milestones that Biogen has achieved over the last 12 months, we have successfully found the pathway to synthesize Q-side. Now that's significant because the agricultural industry consumes 80% of all the insecticides in the world, so you need to get into that segment of the market, so the synthetic is a cheaper version than the essential oil. So now we have successfully synthesized it. That's opened up a huge market segment for us. And in the last 12 months we've been contacted by another two pharmaceutical and insecticide companies who wish to test Q-side, and again, no marketing, they find us. So we've now sent samples to another two big companies, and we'll expect a similar result as we've got with the others. We have to complete the registration package, which we're about 3/4 of the way through, and once that's done, Q-side's going to be recognised worldwide. So we've got indications from people that have tested it now and have formulated products, so they are ready. When we have completed the full registration package, which will take about another 6 months, there are customers all ready to go. Well, the outlook for Biogen over the next 12 months is quite exciting. We're going to scale up our synthetic production to be able to produce enough quantity to send real samples to some of the people that we've already discussed it with. We're going to ramp up our farming in anticipation of some of the people that have used it and given us an indication of what their future needs would be. And of course, we will finally package and formulate our products ready to go. The message for future potential shareholders is get on board. The insecticide industry is massive. It's $55 billion and growing. It even grew 8% in a recession. Because insects eat 1/3 of our food crop, insect control is always at the forefront. So we've got the latest, new, safe, 100% safe insecticide going into a market that's desperate for new entries, just like Q-side. I think it's going to be fantastic. You can get more information on Biogen by visiting our website, which is bio-gene.com.au, where you will see a comprehensive video which demonstrates the effectiveness of Q-side.